Okay, welcome to this video series on encrypting Drupal's data. There's a few modules involved here in order to do the job. We are going to be covering installing the Encrypt module, Key, Lockr and Real AES. We're going to configure those modules. We're going to configure the Encrypt. Then we're going to encrypt users' data using all of those settings. There's a module called User Encrypt that will take care of the usernames and email addresses. There's Password Encrypt that will take care, as you can imagine, the passwords. There's a module for encrypting web form submissions. We're going to set that up because obviously, you know, most of us use web forms for our contact forms, and therefore in those submissions is personally identifiable information that therefore should be encrypted. And then we've got the field encrypt module that we use to encrypt fields on our entities. That is a loose outline of what we're going to be doing, the different modules we're going to be working with. Here I have a plain Drupal install. I've added a couple of modules just to make this a lot nicer and easier. I shall show you those. I've installed the Adminimal theme. I've installed the admin menu that gives me drop downs. This really speeds things up if you're not using it. The Adminimal administration menu, this requires the admin menu, but it adds features for the Adminimal theme. And then I've installed the module filter, and this makes my modules page a lot nicer to deal with. So other than those administration modules, it is a plain Drupal install. Yeah, that's it. So next what we're going to do is install Encrypt, Key, Lockr and Real AES. If you're comfortable installing modules and putting libraries in the right places, you can move on now because this will be very boring to you. If you're new to Drupal, then carry on. Okay, let's get on with it. So what we're going to need is some modules. We need CTools. Here you can see the addresses. I'm not going to read them out to you. You can pause the video. So we're going to need CTools. We're going to need Encrypt, we're going to need Key, we're going to need Lockr, and we're going to need Real AES. All of these modules you pretty much just turn on, with the exception of Real AES that requires some libraries. Let me go and show you my folder structure so we can see here in my website, sites, all modules. When you download the modules off of Drupal.org, down the page, you just download it, extract the directory, and pop them in your sites or modules directory. So we can see here these are the admin modules that I installed, and the ones that we need for this part of the video is CTools, Encrypt, Key, Lockr, Real AES. And then the rest we'll be adding later. Okay, cool. As I said, all these modules are just put them in place and turn them on. The only exception's Real AES. So what's different about this is we actually need to download 3 things and put them inside our libraries directory. So if I just click this one, open it up, inside this directory is this folder that's got all the files that we need. Let's go back up one. So what you would do is grab that and go and put it in your file in your libraries directory. So sites all libraries. So we can see there I've just taken that directory. It's got the contents that we just downloaded. That's it. That's the first one. Then we've got our auto load PHP file. Grab that, open it up, go inside the directory. We've got one file, auto load PHP. That file goes inside the PHP encryption that we just put there a minute ago. As you can see, auto load PHP. And then the last one is this. This is only required if you're using older version than PHP 7. I am. So download that, open it up. And as we can see, we've got this directory. That whole thing needs to be copied and put in our libraries folder, like so. Okay, so that's the library sorted out for Real AES. The modules are in place. We can start turning some stuff on. Let's go to our modules page on our demo site. So key encrypt, encryption, encrypt, Real AES, and then what we've got is a couple of others: C tools and libraries. Okay, now save configuration. Okay, cool, that's all the modules installed. That's it for this video. In the next one we'll be configuring the Lockr module and then moving on from there. Okay, I hope that was nice and straightforward, and I'll see you on the next video.